Hi, this is Chris with Semper Solaris, and we're here in El Cajon installing solar on Jim's roof. Really appreciate you choosing Semper Solaris for your solar project. Kind of like to understand how the project went from start to finish. How did you find out about Semper Solaris? How did you hear about this?
I'd seen your ads on TV. I called your office in El Cajon.
Okay, and how did that call go?
It was very nice. They were very pleasant and they were courteous. And we set up a time, sent an agent out here to review the property and give me a free estimate. He was very professional. He brought actually samples of your product, a sample of some competitors' panels, so I could actually look at the difference. Just from the start, I got a good feeling about him. He was honest, made me feel comfortable. Every part of my interaction with Semper has been on time and very enjoyable, very simple. As I thought about going into solar, I'm looking at the different panels and the products that are out there and the wattages, and of course that's, I think, something that everyone thinks about. But another thing you think about is the planning and the processing. Is, can this person that you're hiring get the job done in a timely manner? And if they're not familiar with the County of San Diego or the City of San Diego, it takes a certain art to work those plans through the system and prepare the maps. And I was very impressed with the timeliness of the preparation of the plans. Within a week, the plans were prepared. They emailed me the plans. I signed them online, which was very simple. It's been wonderful. I've been contacted by 3 different people in the company, keeping me informed of the progress of the system. And I thought it would still take a couple weeks, but I was pleasantly surprised that you guys were here today to put the system in.
Excellent. Now the system's up. How do you think that looks? You know, the profile and the height. And
I think it looks beautiful. I think it really has added not only a good way to provide power, but the aesthetics of the property and the value of my property. I think this is really going to work out well for us.
Awesome. And the installation crew, how were they? Were they cordial? Were they polite, on time? They pick up after themselves?
Actually a little early, cleaned everything up. Everything they installed was painted. It matched the house. I was very happy with the installation. Very simple.
So for someone that's considering solar, what recommendations or suggestions would you give them?
I would recommend that they check out Semper Solaris. Through my research, they've shown me to be the best. Their price was good. The quality, you can't go wrong. Truthfully, I was hesitant to get solar. I always want to put something off. But as I kept looking at those electric bills, it just kept ringing in my mind that, you know, something's got to be done. Gas and electric bills continue to go up. We keep lowering our usage. The rates keep going up. At some point, we had to make a change. Solar really pays for itself quite rapidly, and I think it's something that everyone should get into. I look at it this way. You're buying electricity for 20 years. I am not going to have an electrical bill for possibly 20 years. I mean, how outstanding is that? To save $250 or $300 a month? That's a huge savings per month for us. I appreciate not having to run to the mailbox and worry about how much the bill is going to be this month. Buy a U.S. product made in the United States, helping local workers. It's going to save us in electrical bills, the aesthetics of the house, the resale value of the house. It all goes together that it's a no-brainer at this point that everyone should be getting solar, and those that don't get solar are really throwing their money away. So put your money into your house, into your family, and into a product that's going to last 20, 25 years. It's a good feeling. I feel really good of the decision I've made.
I really appreciate the time, Jim. Really nice meeting you, and thank you so much.
I really
you got
appreciate it.